In this final unit, I will introduce you to cross-cultural psychology. Bringing together all of the contents in this video series on social psychology, the main takeaway message is that it is always important to consider cultural differences in psychology. For example, we found that there are differences in collectivistic cultures and also individualistic cultures. And cross-cultural research is very important in understanding how the presence of others may change across different cultures, and whether and how our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors might be different. There are cultural differences in persuasion. In collectivistic cultures like Asia, people are more compliant to authority, so are more easily being persuaded. So they may view people from the US as more aggressive or uncourteous. And in individualistic cultures like the US or the Western, they emphasize more on the self, rather than focusing on social harmony. So they may view Asians as elusive, weak, and indecisive. So it is important to respect different cultures, as they do have different types of cultural norms. In the past, psychological research was primarily being done in the Western or American context. The findings may lack compatibility when being transferred to other cultures. Dr. Yang argued that studying phenomena unique to the local context is essential to contribute to a valid global psychology and will facilitate cross-cultural research.